Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to activate Ofbank mobile banking, easy method. Open the Ofbank app, tap register, and enter your phone number to receive the OTP. Verify your identity with a photo of your ID and a selfie, then create a secure PIN. Link your primary bank account or card for transfers and set up biometric login if available. I'll guide you through each step clearly and calmly so you can finish confidently. Begin by entering your phone number and the OTP to validate your device quickly. Fill in your legal name, date of birth, and email precisely as shown on your ID to avoid delays. Take clear photos of your ID and a selfie for identity verification, then create a strong PIN and enable biometric options for faster access. Stay patient during verification and follow on-screen prompts for any additional information requested. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about saving and investing and pairs well with learning smart banking habits. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to pick it up. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. After registration, choose whether to link a bank account or add a debit card for transfers. Follow the app method to verify with micro-deposits or instant card authentication to confirm your link. Set transaction limits, enable push and email alerts, and review privacy settings to keep control of activity. If you plan regular transfers, schedule or favorite payees to save time. These steps help secure your Ofbank account and streamline daily use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.